Michael, hello. This is such a joy and honor to be here with you. Hi,
Hi, Olive.
how are you?
I'm doing great, thank you. How are you?
Amazing, I'm here with you. As I'm looking at your family picture that's 15 years old, life truly flashes in front of me, sharing our incredible journey together with your phenomenal success. So thank you so much for taking your time to share your incredible journey with
Sure, no
me this
problem.
morning.
Thank you for having me.
Could you kindly share anything you wish to share about yourself, about just your general background, where you're from, how long we've been together, anything you wish to share, please?
I'm originally from Southern California. I've been trading for, gosh, now almost 18 years, and I met Olive 15 years ago and started trading with her after kind of wandering and trying different things, and I've been trading all the system ever since.
Michael, thank you so much. Thank you. So could you please share why the system I built and developed appealed to you 15 years ago?
I was learning a variety of different things from books at the time, some things on the internet, and there was contradictory information depending on where I looked. And your method was just so simple and easy to see, and everything was laid out in advance about what was going to happen. And so then watching price actually play out to where the targets and levels would be was something that wasn't just fascinating, but also was rewarding to see it happen, and took a lot of the stress of if I was doing it right out, because the rules were so simple.
Love it, absolutely love it. So when you sign up for the course, honestly, I don't even remember. 15 years ago when you started, did you take private mentoring or did you take group course?
I took the group course when I first started.
When you first started, you took a group course and you enjoyed the system so much because it was so simple. And we met. This is when we met in California, correct? 15 years ago.
I do remember that, yes. It was when we first met, yeah.
And this is when I met your beautiful wife and your beautiful baby girl.
Yes, that was Emma, and my little baby there's Bruce, my son.
And so 15 years ago, your beautiful baby was how old?
She was 2 at that point. And I think that may have been 13 years ago that this picture was, but we think we met after a couple of years. So.
Yeah, and please remind me, because have you done multiple boot camps? What have you done since, before you brought your daughter to me to learn trading? Do you remember? Have you done boot camps? What else have you done?
I've done, I'm trying to remember the number of boot camps, but there have been multiple, at least a half dozen boot camps, and also did private mentoring myself. And then I brought Emma for private mentoring when she showed interest in learning how to trade.
So, and when you brought your daughter to me, she was 12 years old, correct?
That's correct, yeah.
And she also found the system being very simple.
Yes.
And that is just absolutely unbelievable when I hear that. That's 12-year-old girl finding Alpha Fibonacci system simple to trade.
Yes.
So when you joined the course, your evolution as a trader continued on with learning other systems and other strategies I developed, correct?
That's correct, yeah.
And then what happened? When Emma joined the course, what has transpired since? Please share, because I know we met another time in New York.
Yeah, we met a couple times in Newport and once in New York prior to her joining the course. But yeah, I know Emma took the course. She enjoys trading. We do trade reviews together and just talk about what's in the marketplace. Anytime any of her friends are interested in crypto or Bitcoin, I mean, she's always able to pull up a chart and be able to look at that and give an opinion on it. So she is it's nice to be able to connect with her like that.
So your daughter is right now 17?
No, she's almost 16.
She's almost 16. And so you and your daughter are trading together and looking at various instruments, not just futures.
Correct. Yeah, we're looking at Bitcoin. We're looking at futures. We do look at stocks as well.
Wow, how incredible. And also, you are trading for prop firms.
Correct. Yeah, I trade for 2 prop firms right now.
And that's truly, truly, truly incredible. So, what is your really, really favorite thing about all the strategies you learned in the course and your continuous knowledge? Because right now, 15 years later, when you're trading for multiple prop firms, you signed up to learn my latest elite strategy. What do you like about that particular strategy so much?
What I like about the strategy is it allows me to be patient. Is that once I see the strategy set up, I know exactly where my entry is, I know exactly where my stop loss is, and it allows me to be patient not only on waiting for the setup, but also letting the trade play out so that I can hit multiple targets and make more than, have a good risk-reward ratio.
So do you find trading stressful with Alpha Fibonacci method? Or
no, the method's laid out. I've done the back testing. I know it's very, very high win rate, very confident with it, so it takes a lot of the stress out.
And what charts do you prefer trading? What variety of charts you trading on what instruments?
I trade the NQ, and on that I'll trade 2 minutes, 5 minute, and 8 minute during the session, and 10 minute after hours, and that's really my primary trading.
And when you look on Bitcoin or other instruments, is it long-term charts?
Yeah, I prefer trading Bitcoin on hourly or 15-minute charts.
That's incredible. And also, do you trade stocks as well?
I do trade stocks, and when I'm trading stocks, I trade on hourly or daily charts.
So you're trading futures, you're trading Bitcoin, and you're trading stocks, and all of this from 2-minute to 15-minute to hourly to daily?
Correct, yeah.
Phenomenal work. Absolutely phenomenal, stunning work. And how's this extreme market conditions, this extreme volatility impacting your trading? Is it helpful to reach your targets with ultimate precision?
I don't mind volatility because if the setup's there, especially on a short day, it'll get there faster. But if the volatility is not there and it's a slow grinding uptrending day, that's fine too. It doesn't really matter. It's not, the volatility doesn't negate the trade service.
And what is your average success rate, especially with the latest strategy, with the latest elite strategy you learned?
The average success rate's approximately 80%.
Phenomenal work. And so, if there is anything you can share about your returns on your accounts, perhaps annual, on futures, on stocks, just to give us an idea.
The returns on the prop firms are more than what I was making prior to me, joining the initial class. Put it that way.
And so overall, could you kindly share your thoughts about the course and me as a mentor?
I would recommend all as a mentor. I took my daughter to her because it makes it simple. It provides a framework to look at all markets and understand where price is at. I've moved to being a price first based trader because of Allah, and it is simple, consistent, and the teaching style is laid out in a way that really anybody can learn.
Michael, it is such a joy and honor being here with you. We need to take our outdated picture. I look forward to seeing you again with your beautiful daughter, with your beautiful family, with your beautiful wife and your son. And I absolutely enjoy working with you and absolutely thrilled for your success trading with prop firms and to seeing your growth as a phenomenal trader.
That sounds great. I look forward to it. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Michael. Thank you so, so much. I look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you.
Thanks.